introduce yourself?
I'm Christopher Kalitin, and on UBC Solar, I'm part of the Battery Management System subteam. At UBC, I study integrated engineering, where we really take classes in all of the engineering disciplines. The Battery Management System subteam on UBC Solar deals with all of the PCBs and all of the firmware that controls our battery pack. We also do all the testing associated with this. My most recent project on UBC Solar has been working on the high voltage controller for our next generation battery pack. The high voltage controller controls all the contactors, all the big switches in the battery, which control power input and output from the battery pack, say from the motor or solar arrays. It also controls low voltage power to all of the systems in the car, like the driver display or the boards we use to interface with the motor or the lights on the car.
You know what that is?
This is the control board of our previous generation battery pack. You can see right here is the ancestor of the board I'm working on right now. This is the board without any components on it, and all of the circuitry on this board really continues directly into the board that I'm working on right now, where all the design decisions that previous battery management system and electrical members made translate directly over into what I'm working on now. This is Altium, where we design all of our PCBs. This is the current iteration of the design of my PCB, which is hopefully being ordered in a couple of days now. You can see all the traces routed here on the PCB with a 4-layer board, and we also create all of our schematics in Altium as well.
So this is the board I've been designing and talking about for months. It's finally gotten here, and I've finally put all the components on it and reflowed all of them on with solder. And next is all of the little connectors that are about to go on, and I'll solder those on now.
My favorite thing about solar is just the depth of the technical challenges that we face here. Just as a team, we're solving very deep technical challenges that are also very applicable to industry, where we are building a solar-powered car here, which is just an electric car which you put a solar panel onto. So we're dealing with a lot of the same challenges that EV makers do, and we have a lot of alumni who work at these companies, and we get to ask them questions about the work they do, which they get to give us a lot of good technical information that we can really use to solve very hard technical challenges on this team.